The Filipino word mabilis, which means quickly or fast in English. Mabilis. Mabilis. Mabilis siyang sumulat ng liham. He or she wrote the letter quickly. So, siya is he or she. Sulat means write. And the liham is a letter. Mabilis siyang sumulat ng liham. Kailangan mong tumakbo ng mabilis. You need to run fast. Kailangan is need mo is you. Takbo means to run. And then mabilis is fast. So, kailangan mong tumakbo ng mabilis. Mabilis na lumipas ang bakasyon. The vacation passed quickly. So when we say mabilis, that means fast. Lipas means like pass or move. And then bakasyon is vacation. So mabilis na lumipas ang bakasyon. Natapos niya ang trabaho ng mabilis at maaga. He or she finished the work quickly and early. When we say natapos, tapos is like finish, natapos is finished, niya is he or she, and then trabaho is work. Mabilis means fast, and maaga means early. Natapos niya ang trabaho ng mabilis at maaga. Once again, we have the word mabilis, which means quickly or fast in English. Mabilis. Mabilis.